Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Today I would like to show you how to set alarm on Samsung phone. Alright, the first thing you should do is you have to go to clock application on your phone and then click this button, this plus button to create new alarm, and then type your alarm name right here. Alright, and pick the time when you want your alarm ring right here. I'm sorry, it's right here. You just have to scroll your screen like this. Alright, and choose the alarm date right here. Click on this calendar icon and choose the date and click done. Okay, and if you want to set a repeat alarm, you can tap on the days you would like your alarm to repeat on like this. Okay, and you can change the alarm sound by hitting on this option. Okay, and then after you finish the alarm setting, you got to click save to save your alarm. Alright guys, that's how we can set alarm on Samsung phone. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Bye!